What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Chris Lopes and today we're installing 2020 bumper garnishes on my 2018 Civic Si. So in a sense we're doing a bit of a facelift to it and it's gonna just change that fake honeycomb grill that everyone hates, and we're gonna add those nice little Nike swoops you guys are gonna see shortly. I'm gonna give you guys all the product numbers and how to install it. This is a pretty easy install. I've held off for a little bit and yeah, I've been slacking a little bit on the tension. We're gonna get more content coming from tension. Like I said, a lot of my stuff is being delayed from shipping, so bear with me. A couple of guys are probably gonna ask, oh, you still have your new bumper with the new grill to put on? Correct. So I'm really just doing this for video purpose. At the end of the day, I'll have to take them out regardless. I gotta get the bumper still painted and then get a new lip. We have to kind of adjust the grill and put the new bumper garnishes on there, or the vent garnishes on there. So this is for just install purpose, so you guys can see it. I'm gonna roll around with it for a little bit until my new bumper is ready and I have a new lip. Comment down below what lip you'd like to see on the new bumper. I'm still debating. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you so much. If you guys want to check out the build process of the EP3 Type R and the 2018 Civic Si, at the end of the video there's a playlist for all my videos. So let's get into this. I'm gonna show you the product numbers and exactly what we're installing. So as you guys can see, these are what we are installing. What we're going to do is replace these guys here and kind of remove this old fake mesh that is not being used anymore. I think these are gonna basically make the car look a little better, kind of bring it up to date a bit. This is a pretty easy install. All you guys really need is some clip removers and yeah, let's get into the video. Let me show you guys the product numbers. So this is the radar cover. As you guys can see, that is the number for that. And a lot of people are having issues actually finding this. I want to give a big thanks to my buddy Tusi for grabbing this for me. This is the garnish assembly. You got your left and right, and you got your radar cover. Here's the other side. The sticker's a little ripped, but at least you guys have the product number there, so you guys can search it up and grab it from Honda. If you guys are wondering, this is all original from Honda, not aftermarket. All right, so let's get into the install. I'm gonna move this, and we're gonna start off with the left side. I've taken it out just a bit, just to basically, I've never done it, so I was figuring it out, but it seems very, very easy. Let's get into it. I'm excited to see a new mod on the 2018 Civic Si, and I think you guys are too, because it's been a little while. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use one of these clip removers. I don't suggest using like a flathead or anything like that. What you're gonna do is literally, you're gonna kind of put it in between here, and you're gonna find a gap, and you're just gonna kind of work your way to the left. And this is gonna take a little bit of like messing around with. So we've loosened that one. I'm gonna get into this one, and it's one of those things. And there you go. So I got most of it out. Be very careful. Oh, see? And Alexander, coming over here. And then over here, you're gonna have a clip. I've removed this one already, just for test purposes. And so you're gonna have a clip here, and you're gonna remove the clip. And then after you remove the clip, the entire thing basically comes out. To remove this one, we're gonna put the new one in, and we're gonna compare side by side how they look. It was quite easy. Just one clip, and then just using your clip remover and just kind of popping them out. Here's the new one. It's going to be the exact same thing that we just did. I suggest you start with the bottom with the clip, put the clip in, and then just pop these all in. Let's get it. As you saw, this is where the clip sat in. What I think the best way is doing is just popping this in from the bottom, and then you're going to put the clip in where it originally went. It's a little tight. It's one of these things where I don't think structurally you really need it, but if Honda put it, why not put it back? Because it's pretty easy. So we put the clip in, and now we're going to work our way from the bottom and this left side, and make sure you just kind of curve it in and just push, 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 push the bottom in, and there we go. So which one do you guys like better? I'm really feeling the left side, like the newer 2020 side, that one. It really complements the car and all the lines of the car. That fake honeycomb vent was okay, but that looks really good. And I know I have a broken fog light. I'm waiting for new ones to come in. And yeah, as you saw, it was really easy to do that. So we can just remove that and do it again. But here it is, really nice. All right, now we're gonna tackle the other side. We're gonna replace that with that and bring it to 2020. It looks really good. Now we have to do the rear ones another time. Those take a little more modifying, but the front ones are direct, basically clip-on. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing we did on the other side. We're gonna start with finding one part of the top, which I like to try going around here. If it doesn't go in, it's probably because you're at the clip itself, and we're just gonna work our way. What I like to do is keep a bit of tension with my finger and get this in, and just, it's gonna take a little loving, so don't be too scared, but don't go too hard at the same time. And we'll just keep working away and keep pulling out. This is how I like doing it. And there's a clip you can see in between where a clip is and where it isn't. And there we go. And once again, if you guys see down here, we do have a clip. And this is what basically, it's the hardest part of the entire thing. It's just because the angle of it. And we're just gonna have to, it's not even that hard, but I don't have the greatest clip removers right now. And you're just gonna have to kind of mess with it here and just pop it out. You're gonna keep this clip for your other side. And now, what I'm gonna just try doing is just pushing it out, pulling it out. You can grab within the fog, and there you go. So you guys can see, this is where the clip sits, is right in here. And like I said before, what we're gonna do to get this in is, I recommend sliding this through here first. And then when you slide it through, grab your clip and put it in. The clip is in now. And now what we're gonna do is slide in all the bottom parts. You're gonna grab this right side here and you're gonna push it in, as you can see. We're gonna push it in and everything should just clip in perfectly like that. And we are in. This looks so much better in my opinion. Some of you guys may like the honeycomb. I think that this looks so much better with my black front end. I was really hoping to get these in carbon, see if I can get a carbon, but it might be a little difficult to do it because they're just little garnishes, but it definitely sets off the front end. The lines go perfectly with the body of the car. I'm actually really happy with it. Looks really sleek, really nice. Like I said, I know we have to get my new bumper on, but as you saw, it was super easy to install, so I can just take it off and put on the new bumper. Damn, made me love the SI just a little more. It makes the car look so much more aggressive. We got those nice headlights, we got the open grille, still got to get that PRL stencil on there, and yeah, super happy with this. Looks really good. Let me know what you guys think down below if you guys enjoyed it, if you have done it, if you're 2020 and you want to go back to these garnishes. Let me know. If you guys haven't grabbed your stickers, make sure to check them out. DM me on Instagram. I have a little link there, shows all 3 stickers. I have the Duo Ones to the right. I have the cartoon version of this 8 Gen in a sticker, and I have one at the 10 Gen. $5 shipped to wherever you are. I want to say thank you so much, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to hit that 20K mark. We're grinding it away. We're at 12K. Let's hit 13, 14, 15. Let's grow. The bigger I get, the more crazier mods I can do. That's how you guys can understand. If you support me, I'll make videos to support you. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more Type R content, let me know. If you want to see more 10 Gen comment, let me know. I want to see what you guys actually like. And if you guys don't like the Type R, the EP3 Type R, I'm going to convert you guys very slowly, but it's going to happen. I love you guys. Make sure you do it once. Do it right. Peace out and later.